Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to Crypto Squid, your go-to channel for all things crypto. I'm Kevin, your guide on this thrilling journey through the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. Here at Crypto Squid, we cover it all, from small cap gems to high-profile projects, meme tokens that make you laugh, and NFT ventures that push the boundaries of creativity and more. In this video, I will explain this wonderful project called Prop365. Whether you're a seasoned trader, a curious investor, or someone just looking to stay informed about the latest trends, this channel is for you. Join me as we navigate the waves of the crypto sea and uncover hidden treasures together. Now, before we dive in, it's important to note that I'm not a professional analyst. My insights are based on research, experience, and my own personal opinions. So if you're ready to dive deep into the world of crypto, hit that subscribe button and join the Crypto Squid community today. So now let's dive right into Prop365. You can find a special discount link in the description down below. This link will get you a very nice discount of 10%. So Prop365, you can unlock your financial freedom. Empower yourself with the knowledge and tools to take control of your financial future with rapid support, advanced trading tools, security, and privacy. So this platform is where your trading skills can unlock capital, providing opportunities for traders to get funded. So it's a service that speaks volumes. Again, a 12-hour average payout, 48-hour to get your pro trader account, 10,000 trades last month, and the largest challenge size of $100,000. So how does all of this work? We have two different challenge types here with different steps. So you choose your challenge type and account size here. As we can see, we can choose a challenge of $5,000, $10,000, $25,000, $50,000, or $100,000 here. And depending on your amount, you have to achieve your targets, and that will unlock your Pro365 trader account. So here we can see phase one in the evaluation stage. Your profit target is $500, so a 10% return. Minimum trading days is 5 days. Your maximum daily loss for the challenge is $200 or 4%. Maximum drawdown of $300 of 6%. Trading period is unlimited. Profit split is 80%, and there is no refundable fee. So that is $56 to start the challenge. And of course, depending on the account, this will then, of course, increase the cost and the risk parameters. For example, comparing a $100,000 account to unlock, in the evaluation phase, again, it's a 10% profit, so it's the same, minimum 5 trading days, and again, the same percentage daily loss and drawdown, so 4% and 6%, unlimited trading period, again, it's an 80% profit split, and this top challenge is $564. So again, depending on your budget for starting a challenge, this ranges from 56, we have 107, 204, 307 and 564 to do the challenge. And of course, once you are a Pro365 trader in the funded stage, you don't have any profit targets, your trading days are unlimited, and again, you have a max daily loss and drawdown, trading period is unlimited again, and you do get that very, very nice 80% split. So if you complete the challenge, you'll get to keep 80% of your profits. Also, the bonus of getting your entry fee refunded after passing the challenge. So again, if you are a very good trader, you can pay this entry fee, get a $100,000 trading account, 80% profit split, and if you do get accepted, of course, this fee will then be refunded. So again, you have a few risk parameters and profit targets, but the conditions are pretty self-explanatory and laid out, which is very, very nice. So how does it work? Let's dive deep into the evaluation. So in the evaluation phase, you demonstrate your trading skills and risk management by reaching a profit target on a simulated account. Moving forward, you sign a contract and get paid for your trading expertise. And then, of course, get paid. Get paid based on your performance, again, with that 80% profit split. The step 2 section here, again, you have the other trader funding. So you can have a phase 1 evaluation, which is just an 8% profit target in 3 days minimum, 5% daily loss and a 10% minimum drawdown. Again, this is no profit split though, so you can actually do a separate way to do the challenge. So on the low end, you can do a 2-phase of evaluation, getting an 8% and then a 5% profit, and then of course you will become funded. So there's 2 different ways you can actually start the challenges, which is very nice about the platform. You can choose what's right for you. So why would you choose Prop365? They have a professional team. Their experts are dedicated to their trading success, security and privacy. So your security is in full compliance with ICO regulatory requirements, rapid support with quick and reliable assistance whenever you need it, and advanced trading tools. Evaluate your trading with their advanced tools for peak performance. Again, we have a few testimonials on what their traders think. Again, if you are a trader and you're looking for funding or somewhere to prove your skills, this is the place to do it. Again, they have a great reward structure. If you, of course, use the promotion code in the description, you will get a 10% discount on any challenge. So, for example, if you did that $100,000 challenge here, this $564, you'd get 10% off. And of course, if you pass the challenge, it's fully refunded. So if you are a trader, I think it's definitely worth giving it a try, even for a low account for just $56. So again, make sure you do use the link down below. You can of course take a look at some of the earning potential. So an account size of $1,000 at 0.5 profit rate is $4 a month. If we then up this to a $100,000 amount account, just making, for example, 1% per month or 0.95, that is $760 per month you can start earning. And of course, if you're making large profits, that can rack up very, very quickly. And of course, we have some FAQs for the customer service. So how to sign up using my promo code, there is a link in the description down below. So once you then have signed up, also make sure to check your spam folder for your password to your account. We can see here to start a challenge. This will then load, and here we have the challenge details. If you want a 1-step or a 2-step plan, then select your initial balance. And if you have a discount code, of course, you can use my code 0335, which will be in the description, and you can apply this for a nice 10% discount. So again, I hope you have enjoyed this video today. You have been watching the Crypto Squid channel. There's a very nice dashboard once you are signed up, showing your orders. We have the economic calendar here, payouts, certificates, and of course your full profile. But thanks for watching again, and I'll see you next time.